You guys told me to leave the bunny alone. It's misunderstood. It doesn't mean any harm. What? Well, look at this. Look at this. And what? I'm supposed to just... And there's nothing I can do about it because I'm definitely not going to discipline it because it doesn't know what the hell I'm saying. I was just sitting there petting her and loving on her. And then I go and I look. And I heard something this morning. You know, I heard like this. I heard this sound this morning from upstairs. And I just did not feel like getting up to see what it was. I did not think it was going to be my sneakers. Whoever wants to come get the bunny, come get the bunny. So I'm over it. And just look at her. She's just like, what'd I do? I did nothing. I did what I'm supposed to do. I'm a bunny. I chew on things. You should know better. And you're right. And that's why I can't even be mad at you. So I really didn't want this to be a cooking show, but I'm just going to put these in here real quick. Let that cook. So I have kale. I'm gonna wash it and make this quickest kale salad ever. I'm not doing much. I'm going to massage it very well with some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, or you know what? I was gonna use. You could use lemon, any type of acid you have. Lemon, apple cider vinegar, whatever. Anyway, you get it. You get it. I'll be back. Be the kale salad, and then I'm gonna also make kale chips because my kids like kale chips. Okay. Also have some basmati rice. I will link it up in the cards how I made that. And this is what's left. We have the saffron rice, and we have the chicken. I just squeezed lemon over the chicken. And these are the kale chips. Kale chips, you hear that? Nice and crunchy. And then we also have kale salad. So you can have either or. Now you can leave it like this and just, portion it out. Or you can use, I have these meal prep containers from when I used to meal prep. for my husband and I when we was on that 90-day transformation plan. I don't do that anymore. But yeah, you can also just do this. Pack it for lunch. This is great when you're on a go. So I would do this and take it with me. Even if I was going somewhere to somebody's house or whatever, I would just take my meal with me. Okay, that's it. So this is how we're going to ensure that we're not snacking or eating the things that we shouldn't be eating when we get hungry. Okay. I know people don't like to meal prep, so you can also just ingredient prep. You know, season your chicken beforehand. Make enough just for tonight and then the next day for lunch. That's it. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Good night. Okay, so I'm back. I just want to have a quick chit chat about first of all, happy Black History Month. It's also Heart Disease Month. I just wanted to come on here and talk about how we need to get or maintain our health. In our community, there's a lot of health disparities. We know this, health inequity, and chronic diseases are prevalent. We need to take care of ourselves. There are outside threats that we can't control, but what we can control is our health and how we take care of ourselves, how we put our health first, how we prioritize it. Because at the end of the day, no one's coming to save you. No one out here, especially with the climate we're in now. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't talk politics on my channel. I don't even talk politics in real life to everyone. You know, that's a conversation I have with just certain people. We could debate all day, but sometimes I don't have the bandwidth to debate. I just don't. When I was younger, I looked for a debate. Now, at this age, I'm good. Like, I'm doing me. I'm gonna do me, regardless of what you say, what you think, whatever. Anyway, this channel, yes, lifestyle, but when I started it, the forefront was health and wellness. During the pandemic, needing or feeling like I needed to do something, I need to help my family, my friends, myself, and anyone else that would listen, I enrolled in IN. For those who don't know, IN is the Institute of Integrative Nutrition, to become a health coach. That was a year-long program. I started July of 2020, and I graduated June of 2021, became a health coach, and so whatever I could do to help, I was going to help, right? And if that was cooking and changing and trying to help people change the way they cook, the ingredients they use, the foods that they ate, showing them how to incorporate healthier foods and not look at it as, oh, I'm eliminating all these foods, but instead adding good food, adding foods that are better for you. Once you add these foods that you're not necessarily used to eating because you're used to snacking or you're used to, let's face it, our community, we love to have collard greens, candy yams, cornbread, all the things that taste so good, but you can make them better. You don't have to cook the collard greens till they have no more nutrients left in it. You don't have to always sugar those candy yams because sweet potatoes and yams are sweet. So I reserve that for the holidays. I do eat that stuff, but for the holidays. And throughout the year, I just make them completely different. I make them with less sugar, less salt. I'm not cooking my greens to death. Because what is the point of eating greens if you ain't got no more nutrients left? Oh, my bunny is eating my basket. I'm just going to continue. We're going to roll. I'll get to her later. Actually, that's her basket now. So as long as it's not my sneakers. So anyway, it's Black History Month, right? it's not only this month that we need to take care of ourselves and we need to celebrate ourselves. We have to celebrate ourselves every single day. And you made a New Year's resolution. So are you still on your New Year resolution? I hope you are. I hope it goes beyond 2025. It's not easy taking care of yourselves when you're so busy with life. I get it. But if you don't take the time to take care of yourself now, whatever chronic illness that appears, God forbid, it's going to put you out. And then you're going to have to take time to take care of yourself. You don't want that to happen. It's better to prevent it than to have to manage it. All right? So, yeah. I hope this helps. I'll be on here doing some other things like getting dressed, because that's fun. But every once in a while I will throw in some wellness tips, okay? All right. Have a great week. Bye.